Y'all, I'm at the Loves of Fort Worth. Look at these people. They got their slide outs. They even got freaking animals out. This is a freaking truck stop. I got 2 words for them: RV park. If that weren't enough, y'all gotta look at this bus over here. A girl got out of it. I guess she's pretty artistic. She's got 2 doggos in there that I've seen Roxy's wanting. But y'all look at this. Whew. What? No. What you sniffing? What you sniffing? Come on, let's go sniff over here. Come on, keep moving. Y'all see that? They even got a coffin on the back of it. It takes all kinds of kinds. Come on. Whoa! I'm gonna let her sniff around. We're waiting on a load. They still ain't sent me anything. Yesterday I was sick and asked for something to not get, and boom, they immediately send me a load. Well, they just sent me a load. Woo, pays $1,095. It's a tarp load, of course. I-40. And it's a multi-stop tarp load. Cooper Beeline. They're pretty easy. I guess we'll take it. That place is empty. It'd be nice if Loves would buy it and make us some more parking. Oh, I thought I had a load coming in. I don't. She don't see those birds yet. Oh Lord, I wonder what's in that tub right there. I bet it's a big old tub of poo. I bet somebody dumped a big old tub of shit out. My friend was parked on a curb and somebody had a tub sitting out in the field, and it was a good tub, and the curiosity got the best of him, and he finally went and checked, and it was poop, just filled with poop. So this load they sent us, it picks up in Sherman, Texas at Cooper Beeline. I've been there before, and I think I was just there, and I got one stop at the Priefert place, and then the next stop at Blue Oval in Tennessee. That's that big place they're making that car manufacturer at, whatever it is. But as soon as she routes us, we're gonna head on out.
destination on the right. Arrived at destination.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. We are here, we are here. I was just here last week or the week before. I'm gonna move this trailer over a little bit more. My load's ready. I've got some boxes on there for the first stop, and he said that was all I needed to tarp was the boxes. Be good to go on the rest of it. That's what we got. I put 2 straps on each of them because they're loose, and that one box back there. And we're gonna go get this first delivery made if they're still open. Well, it's 3:38 and we are 100 and Jesus. We are 119 miles away from the first delivery. We'll see what we can do. Made it to the TA. I went by the Loves first. I did reserve a spot over here, but I'd rather stay over at the Loves. But man, you couldn't fit another set of nuts in that place. So I don't believe I've stayed at this one. It looks kind of nice. Looks kind of nice. I don't know where the reserve parking is. I bet it's over on this other side. Trying to find it. But man, I couldn't. There's plenty of spots over here, but that I think that was a reserve right there. Well, that looks like a good spot up there to park at now. Somebody the reserve is over here, over here, over here. Shit, I like that straight line back. I like that straight line back right there. Oh, that's a reserve too. But I'll yep. see this idiot. Look at him. What an idiot. What an idiot. We are in here. I got me a straight shot to the fuel island. I'm gonna tell them they can resell this spot, do whatever they want to with it. Maybe, maybe not. Well, it is Wednesday morning. We are getting ready to go make this delivery. Drop one anyways. Stop up here and clean the windshield real quick. We're gonna get on down the road. Their phone answering service says they don't receive until 7 a.m. But I am gonna be there about 6:30. This is a cute little place. It never filled up. They kept running them off, telling them they had to pay or go, and they chose to leave. Well, all right, we're going, whether we want to or not. Darn, I missed a big old bug right there. It's cleaner. It's not clean by no means, though.
Proceed east on East Interstate 30 in 373 feet. Take exit on the left for I-30 East.
Alrighty, they can't figure it. I was just gonna get the tarp off real quick. Well, I'm supposed to drop that off in Tennessee today, so I got a long way to go. I know that big car plant they're building.
You do the rest of them?
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it. I'm getting old and fat. I need to exercise.
You look good.
I wish I looked like you though, nice and young.
Girl,
It slips away fast.
I'm ready to just be older.
No, trust me. No, you don't want that. You don't know what's, you don't know what's out ahead of you. You could win the lottery, become a millionaire, shoot. But you know, there's a lot of people who'd love to be in your shoes right now.
I'll try to fix it.
Oh gosh.
Want me to take these off?
Sure. It you know, I had a restaurant in Mississippi and it worked to raise my kids, but I worked so hard and I could never could get ahead, but I told my friend, I said, if this is it, I quit. But I still have my restaurant. I let one of my cooks take it over. But it took me, I make a lot of money with Prime now. And I mean, like 2 weeks ago, I had an $8,000 paycheck. But it took $8,000 I had. And like this week, I'll probably make $4,000. But it took a long time. But if I'd have made it any sooner, I'd have just let everybody steal it from me, take it from me, and so wouldn't have done me any good to have it. But one fella told me, if the Lord can't trust you with the small, oh, that's him. I'm just gonna yank him off of there. I got a strap winder. If the Lord can't trust you with the small stuff, he'll never give you the big stuff. So, but I'd have let everybody just use me and take advantage of me. So, oh, thank you. See what? Oh, I thought you said something. Okay, well, they still haven't figured out where this box goes, so she's just gonna pull it off here, and I'm gonna get on with my day. It's an awful big pallet, isn't it? Whoop. Y'all see that? There's another female driver. Hell yeah. We're taking over. We're taking over. What's up here? She ain't messing around. Thank you. Whew. Just like that, it's off of there. And I will be cleaning this box out tonight. So I'm just gonna toss all this crap in there and get my ass to my next stop. Because when I do those straps, I'm gonna set them in the floorboard so I won't have to pull them out and redo that. But my goal is just to get to the next stop today. Screw everything else. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, hey. She said, what y'all doing out there? Alrighty. I hate to smoke tarp, so I ain't filming that.